Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you tips use a balloon feature in Solidworks drawing. In assembly drawing, we have to show the assembly component. That's why we use the balloons feature to show the components like this. Sometimes we get parts that are close together, so it's hard to show the balloons. Don't be confused, we can do like this. For example, we can use this part. Right click this balloon, click add to stack, and click part near the part main like this bolt maybe, see, or this link, see, or this base. You can change the direction like this, or you can do like this. Click stack balloon feature, choose circular split line, click this cylinder, see, and click this split controller, see. See, that is quick tips. See ya.